Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making for you something really simple. I'm going to be making some peri-peri wrap, guys. I'm going to be using some black pepper, some peri-peri seasoning, some peri-peri Nando's sauce, some jerk chicken, Jamaican jerk chicken, some slices of cheese, and then over here I've got my tortilla wraps. That's what I'm going to be using today. And as you can see on the packaging, it's got a nice wrap. And that's what I'm going to be making. Don't know if mine's going to look as good as this, guys, but I'll give it a try. In a bowl here, as you can see, I've got my chicken that was nicely seasoned with the stuff that I showed you earlier. So now I'm going to be putting these chicken to grill in the air fryer, guys. I'm going to be grilling my chicken in the air fryer. Stay tuned for what comes next. Also in a bowl, I've got some lettuce that's been soaking in some salt water. I'm going to rinse this off about 2 times and then chop it up. And then I'll come back and show you where I am. Over here, guys, as you can see, I've got some sliced tomatoes, some sliced cucumbers, some bell peppers, aka sweet peppers, and I'm going to be showing you the next stage when I get there. Stay tuned. So the next step, guys, in my air fryer, I've cut some grease-proof paper or baking paper, and I'm going to be putting my chicken strips, putting down my chicken strips. There, my nicely seasoned chicken strips. And you can season your chicken strips, guys, with whatever seasoning you like. Whatever choice of seasoning you choose to use, you can use that, okay? You don't have to use the same seasoning that I'm using. And do remember, guys, everybody makes stuff their way, the way that they like or the way that is known to them. So I'm gonna try and put all of them, guys, so I can do them in one go. Yeah, I've got a few. Make some room, make some room. Yeah, got another one here. Try and see if I can fit it this way. Another little one here. Another little one. You don't have to put the baking paper if you don't have it, but I prefer to put it because it creates less mess. So that's why I've put the paper. And that's it. I'm going to put those on grill. I'm going to be grilling them. So guys, even though I'm doing mine in an air fryer, you don't have to do yours in an air fryer because not everybody have an air fryer. But you can also grill them in the oven. Yeah? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn on the air fryer and grill the chicken breast strips. And then I'll come back and show you the next stage. So grilling, guys, usually takes about 10 minutes. So I'll come back in the next 10 minutes and I'll show you where I am. So now I'm halfway, guys. I'm gonna turn over my chicken. Turn them over on the other side. That's it, guys. I'll come back and show you how it's looking. I'm gonna open my air fryer, guys. It's just finished. There you go. As you can see, my chicken is finished grilling. So I will come back and show you how to assemble your wraps, or how I assemble my wrap, guys. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm finished and ready to assemble in the bowl as I showed you before on my vegetable. Got my peri-peri sauce, Nando's peri-peri sauce, and that's the hot one. I've got my chicken, my grilled chicken, and I'm gonna start to assemble, guys. So right here, I've got my plate, I've got my wrap, my tortilla wrap, and I'm gonna start assembling, guys. So I'm gonna start with my chicken. So I'll put 2 pieces of chicken. I'll get my cheese, just a half of 1 slice. I'll get my sauce, my peri peri sauce. I'll dabble a little. Yeah. I'll get some cucumbers. There, I've got some cucumbers. Then I'll get some tomatoes. Some nice tomatoes. Yeah. I get myself a little bit of shredded lettuce. And I'll just layer it. Just a little bit, not too much. And then I'll just put it there to the side. I'm also adding to this one a little bit of cool mayo. That's it, that's enough. And then I'll put some sweet peppers, aka bell peppers. Just 3 pieces. And then that's it, guys. I'm now gonna assemble. So I'll fold it up like that, the bottom. Then take this side and bring it over. Yeah. And then just wrap, guys. Bringing up that side, bringing up that bit, and then just wrap. And there you have it, guys. My wrap, peri peri wrap. I'm gonna be making some different ones on special requests for the people of the house. Some people don't want peri peri, but I want peri peri, so this is my peri peri wrap. And there you have it, guys, the finished product. There you go, a little dabble of sauce. And that's how it's looking, guys. Bon appetit. There you have it, guys. The finished product, that's how it's looking. There, as you can see. Right there, looking lovely. Thank you for watching, guys.